Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara. And today we're going to do kind of a crafty project today. I am a artist outside of the YouTuberverse. I do paint and I draw and I sculpt and I do a lot of other crafty things. You can tell by the way I do my DIYs and everything. But today what we're going to do is make a frame for one of my artworks. We're going to frame this painting that I made. And if you want to see how I make the frame for this, then keep on watching.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
Okay, you guys, so this is a painting I painted a few months ago. It is a picture of the countryside, the French countryside from where my apartment in France is, and this is one of the views that I get to see when I'm there. So I want to frame this because it reminds me of my happy place in France. I bought some decorative molding for this at Home Depot. So I'm going to measure up the painting and then measure the sides for the picture frame and put that together, and then eventually I'll stain it and you'll see the finished product shortly.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside.
So to make my 45-degree angles for the picture frame, I have this miter box and this miter saw, hand saw. I don't know if you can see on here, it has 45, 90, 45 degrees and different angles that you can use to cut the wood. So I'm going to do that now.
Tell me everything about you, yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever, yeah, anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few bright stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours.
So I got all 4 pieces cut. Finally, I had to go back to the hardware store because I cut it the wrong way, and it was a whole saga. But I finally got them the right length. So I'm going to put this together and proceed to stain it. So let's do that.
Just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. If we ever was lost before,
all the sides of it. I just need to do some wood filler in the corners and to stain it, and then we're all set.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love. Let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold. I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running or I'm chasing you.
All right, you guys, this is the final product. As you can see, it's nice and stained, and I think it looks pretty nice in this frame. I still have to put things on the back so that I can hang it on the wall, but and I made a second one as well because I have some more art that I want to put in the frame, namely this piece here. So I have a horizontal piece and a vertical piece, so I'll have to put that in. I'll have to put this in that frame once I stain it and let the stain dry and everything. This project, I mean, technically it wasn't hard, but there was a lot of little fussy bits to it that just kind of gave me a hard time. One of the things is I wasn't doing the angles properly on the corners, the mitered corners, so I messed up a few times. I had to go back to the hardware store and get more frame material, more molding. The other thing was that I had to take the painting off the original. It was on another like MDF kind of frame, I guess, because it just didn't fit, and it wasn't like flat on the back once I, because if you turn it around, you want it to be kind of flat to the surface on the back. And it wasn't flat, and it wasn't fitting, and it was just a real fussy thing. So yeah, it took longer than I expected, but I like the outcome of it, and I definitely will be making more frames of my own as I continue to do my artwork and practice my art. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. I would love to have you as part of our family here. We do things like this all the time. And hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I usually try to upload every Sunday night. Sometimes it goes into Monday, but usually just Sunday night. And I will see you next time. Until then, take care.
Chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay,